Xbox 360. I saw several videos that, and this is a slim, by the way. They were talking about areas of resistors that need to be fixed here. But as you can see, I don't have the 6 that are shown in the videos, but I made a jumper cable because these two, when I put continuity, they weren't beeping. So what I did was I used my heat gun, or you can use a solder iron, and then some flux, and then just slap some flux on there so you can clean up all the mess and then get these points ready for a jumper cable. And I just use this is a pretty small roll. Looks like it's 24 gauge or 26 gauge or so, and that seems to be working okay. It's a really pain in the butt. I do better with my glasses off, so you just got to use a microscope, or if you wear glasses, take off your glasses if you're nearsighted like I am, and then try to do your best to, you can see the other one I got to do there, the R4D5. Again, I don't even know if this is going to work, but this is just an assumption because of other videos I've seen. I did find the other two guys down here. Let me see if I can zoom in there. So you see that R4D1 and R4D2. When I did continuity between those two resistors, it worked fine. It beeped. So I didn't get the beep on the other ones that are up here. So so far I've only found 4, so I'm hoping this is going to be the solution fix to why I'm getting the ring of death on this 2010 Xbox 360 Slim. All right, as you can see, I have my resistor jumper cable ready. What I do is I get my tweezers and I just double check, make sure it's truly on there. And the same with this one. And I can see, so I'm just gonna get my clippers and clip those guys off. It's gonna be hard to do this with one hand, so let me stop the video. Alrighty, so it's hard to tell, but there's my R4D4 and R4D5. I jumped and I nipped it, so it looks good. Again, these two are working fine according to my jumper. So I don't know if there's 6 on this one. There's I only see those 4. So we'll see if I'll take another glance and then maybe Google it to see if there is one. Go from there. I got nothing, man. Still the ring of death. I might have made it worse taking off those resistors. It seems like it gets to the red ring light pretty quick. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. Again, it's just those two resistors I changed there, removed and just created a jumper, kind of like with the other videos, because I wasn't getting continuity. I don't know if that's the right workflow, but let me know. Let's get this guy working.